Hi, welcome to your English class. Learn English with Jackie. Today, you are going to learn 8 idioms, 8 idiomatic expressions in English. What are idioms? Idioms are expressions. Usually, these expressions are formed of a verb and a preposition. Of course, there are idioms that don't include either a verb or a preposition, but many of them do, like get in, right? Get in, get in my car, get in. So we'll go over 8 different expressions and how to use them, and we'll also see if you can use them in a sentence. Are you ready? Let's go. The first idiom is to turn on. Repeat. To turn on. It means to start or cause to function. For example, please turn on the light. It's very dark. Repeat. Please turn on the light. It's very dark. Very good. Repeat. To turn on. Now your turn to make a sentence with to turn on below. The next idiom is the opposite, to turn off. Repeat. To turn off. To turn off is the opposite of to turn on, which means to cause to stop functioning. For example, please turn off the radio. It's too loud. Repeat. Please turn off the video. It's too loud. Now it's your turn to give me an example with to turn off below. Repeat. To turn off. The next idiom is to put on. Repeat. To put on. It's usually used with clothes, and it means to place on oneself. For example, today I put on a leopard dress. Repeat. Today I put on a leopard dress. Your turn to give me an example with to put on. What did you put on today? Please repeat. To put on. The next idiom is to take off, which is the opposite of to put on. To take off, which means to remove, and again, usually used for clothes. To take off also has another meaning, but we're only going to use this meaning in this case. So for example, at night, I take off my clothes and put on my pajamas. Repeat. At night, I take off my clothes and put on my pajamas. Now it's your turn to give me an example with to take off. Please tell me below. Repeat. To take off. The next one is right away. Repeat. Right away. It means very soon or immediately. So, for example, at a restaurant, a waiter can tell you, your food will be ready right away. Repeat. Your food will be ready right away. Now, please make an example with right away below. Please repeat. Right away. Right away. Our next idiom is to pick up. To pick up. To pick up is an idiom that also has several meanings, like to take off. But for this particular lesson, you're going to learn that to pick up means to lift something from the floor, the table, from somewhere. To pick up. For example, I generally pick up my phone from the table. Repeat. I generally pick up my phone from the table. Your turn to give me an example with to pick up. Please feel free to put it below. So repeat it one more time. To pick up. The next idiom is sooner or later. Repeat. Sooner or later. It means eventually or after some time. For example, sooner or later, you'll be fluent in English. Repeat. Sooner or later, you will be fluent in English. Now it's your turn to give me an example and write it below. Let's repeat it one more time. Sooner or later. And the last idiom for today is to get up. Repeat. To get up, which means to rise, right? Or to arise. Rise or arise, both are fine. For example, every morning I get up at 10 a.m. Repeat. Every morning I get up at 10 a.m. Your turn to give me an example below. At what time do you get up in the morning? Let's repeat the idiom one more time. To get up. Very good. And those are the 8 idioms. So let's go through them one more time. To turn on. To turn on. To turn off. To turn off. To put on. To put on. To take off. To take off. Right away. Right away. To pick up. To pick up. Sooner or later. Sooner or later. To get up. To get up. Please feel free to make sentences with all 8 idioms and to write them below. Now it's time for a short quiz. I will read some sentences and you should put the correct idiom in with the correct sentence. Please write your answers below and I will let you know if you're correct or incorrect. And I'll give you the right answers. Are you ready? Let's go. First sentence. Anne, her coat in the morning. Repeat. Anne, her coat in the morning. Your next example, 2. James, the light when he goes to the bathroom. Repeat. James, the light when he goes to the bathroom. Your next example. I will learn Korean. One more time. I will learn Korean. Another example. Sheila will finish her homework. Repeat. Sheila will finish her homework. Another example. Mark at 6 a.m. every day. Repeat. Mark at 6 a.m. every day. Another example. Akira, his jacket after work. Akira, his jacket after work. Another example. Before going to bed, the television. One more time. Before going to bed, I, the television. Another example. When I drop something on the floor, I have to. One more time. When I drop something on the floor, I have to. Very good. And last but not least, one more example. It's hard to think of examples. I will bring your dessert. One more time. I will bring your dessert. Very good. Please, please, please write down below any examples that you have with these idioms. Write down your answers for this quiz. And please let me know if you have any questions or concerns or things that you would like to learn. Please let me know. I love suggestions. I hope to see you at our next lesson. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more English lessons. Thanks, and bye.